Cause and effect. Whenever the author tries to explain why something has happened, you should think about cause and effect relation. A cause and effect argument states that one thing is causing the other. Typically, premises of an argument will assert correlation between two things, let's say A and B, and the conclusion will claim that one thing is causing the other. These arguments are typically wrong. Just because two things are happening at the same time does not mean that one is causing the other. There could be a third factor causing both or one of them, right? Cause and effect arguments are very different from conditional statements. It's a distinction that you need to make clear. You need to understand the way we identify them is different, and what they mean is also different. Okay, it's important to be able to differentiate them when you're going really fast to the last section. Okay, in conditional statements, occurrence of sufficient condition triggers a necessary condition. If that happens, then that must happen. Whereas in cause and effect arguments, what happens is author just says these two things are happening at the same time, then one must be causing the other. Okay, and that's very different from saying that if this happens, this must happen. Okay, and it might be a subtle difference, but there clearly is a difference which you need to be able to clearly and quickly identify. Okay, cause and effect statements can be identified by the keywords. Just the way we had keywords to identify sufficient necessary condition, we have keywords to identify cause and effect statements, and that makes our life way easier. Okay, the keywords are due to, caused by, resulting from, as a result, because of, stems from, produced by, induced by, contribute to. Now these words are very different from those conditional words, and these words show that author is making claim that one thing is causing the other. It's kind of opinion.